movie recommendation system algorithm, how it works. The best example of this recommendation system that you see mainly in all places, mainly in YouTube, such as for example, if someone likes to view a sports news, so recommendation system work perfectly in a way that all the sports news related to the person like it show in the recommendation or in the home screen. So it is very useful algorithm in daily life. So without any further delay, we move in the implementation part. I run this code in the Jupyter notebook. You can also run in the Google Colab according to your priority. So I first run this. I just import the important libraries, that is pandas, for running dataset well. Then I run the dataset. I also provide the link of the dataset in the description below, as well as the whole code of this file in the description, so you can find it home there. Then metadata dot head, it show the top 5 value. If you want to more 5 or 10, just print here how many value you want, it print like. Then we need to find metadata dot shape, that how many columns and rows in this data set. After that we metadata vote average dot mean, we find the mean of this vote average of all the columns. So we run this cell, then we get the mean is 5.61. mean is the mean of this vote average, this number. Then we calculate the minimum number of vote required to be in the chart. Means for example, I just set the metadata vote count. I just take the features vote count dot quantile 0.90. So it's say 160. Means for example, vote count is here 5415241392. So in your recommendation system we set quantile 0.90, means at least 160 vote are there in the dataset. So I just print then shape, then 455 column 24 from 4546 to 45. It actually means that just means whoever 160 means vote count is less than 160, it is not considered in our dataset. We don't consider dataset which have vote count less than 160. We only consider the vote count that has more than 160 or equals to 160. For example, if some here vote count is 1, so we don't consider our dataset in our algorithm because it's not perfect, because by voting one person we cannot say that this thing is good or bad. So we take minimum 160. Then after that we then compute the weight rated, means write an algorithm, write the function that xmc, where I define the whole parameter here, says the mean vote across the whole report. R is the average rating that we already find. M is the minimum vote required to be listed in the chart, that is M160. So by this we compute this formula or a function. Then after this we run this. Then we qmovie dot score, we need to find score. Score is that, this means we need to find score that, for example, if there is better movie, means best movie you see, so its score seems to 9 8 9 10, or it is the worst movie, so its score is 2 3 4 according to that out of 10. So we run this, then we print the score, as well as we print the score that we compute from here, weighted rating, and sorted in the ascending order. I've been sorting in the descending order because ascending equals to first, so means it's sorted in the descending order. And the column that we need to see is title, vote count and score. Means title of the movie, vote count, how many vote is there for this movie, as well as score that we get from here. Then after we run this, so we get this, that title is the Shawshank Redemption, vote count is 8358 and the score is 8.44, means around 8.5. Then the Godfather, vote count is 6024. By this we get the score. And then we print the overview of the first 5 movie overview. Then the Let by Woody and the Toy. These are the all 5 overview of our movie. Then after that we run this cell. Then we need to actually recommend it that someone like the Godfather. So Godfather के जितने भी are all the important features related to Godfather, so it will show in the recommendation. So I just import TFID vectorizer, which is the part of sklearn library. So you can use TFID vectorization. Then stop word equals to English, means all the word are in the English, and overview that we know from here. Then TFID matrix dot shape. Then we run this, we get. Then from sklearn we also need to import linear kernel. Linear kernel is just related to use for recommendation system, so we import this linear kernel. And cosine equals to sim, it is also a very important feature, of one of the best important feature in the NLP, natural language processing. So it relates all the words, that for example a movie Godfather is a comic movie or a fighting movie, so all the movie that have comic scene or a comic, so it will calculate the cosine and then use in the recommendation system. Then after that I run this pd.series method, we discuss set. So I just use this recommendation system on the movie. You can use in anything. For example, in the grocery shop, that if the person buy